Hi, and welcome to SLCC. Today we're going to talk about how you register for classes using My SLCC. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come here to slcc.edu. Then you'll click the drop-down menu that says My SLCC. You'll scroll down, you'll click My SLCC. Then you're going to click Login. It's going to ask you for some credentials. I've already logged in here today, but you'll sign in with your Bruin Mail and your MySLCC password, and then it'll most likely ask you to use Microsoft to use the dual factor authentication. So go ahead and do that. Once you're in, you're going to see a screen like this. This is your MySLCC homepage. We are going to scroll down to the card near the bottom. It might be in a different place for you, but it's going to say register for classes. Another handy tip you can use is if you go to Discover and you type in register for classes, it'll pop right up and it'll take you right where you need to be. We suggest you use the banner application. It's just a little bit easier to use. You click the drop down and you'll click register here. Then you're going to head to this section right here that says add drop classes. Next, you're going to see a page like this. You're going to click the drop down menu here and you'll select either spring 2024 or whatever semester you're coming into, or SLTC, which is our technical college. That's where our ESL courses and several of our workforce classes are held. So today we're just going to sign up for a basic communications class. So we're just going to choose spring semester 2024. We're going to click continue. Then you're going to see this page. This is where you can search for your course name. The biggest thing you're going to want to look for is the course names. Course names are the prefix of a course. So in this case, COM, and then the number to which that prefix corresponds. So 1010 in our case. Now you can also do a lot of different things in this page. You can search by subject. If you just want to see all the COM classes, you can type COM in here. If you have a course number specifically for the course, you can just type that in and it'll take you right to the course you want to add. This is a fast way to go if you know exactly what class you want to take and you've been given a course number by an advisor. This is a really good place to be. You can search by the part of the term. So we're now in the 12-week term, because we've passed the 16-week registration deadline. And then you can search by attribute and instructional methods. This is where you can decide if you want to have an online course or a face-to-face classroom or a tech-enhanced reduced classroom, which is a little bit like a Zoom classroom. Then you can choose what campus you want to be on. As you can see, we have all our campuses here listed. Once you have your search terms set up, you can just head to search and we have all our classes here. So a few things here. This is going to be the name of the class. It'll tell you the course description and the course number, the section it is, how many credit hours it is. This is a 3 credit hour course. It has the CRN, so that's where we would have put in for the course number if we have that. It'll say the spring semester. And then it'll have your instructor here and the type of class here. So for this is an online course. It's a online campus, as you can see. But for our other classes, if it's at Taylorsville, it'll say Taylorsville. If it's at Jordan, it'll say Jordan. All the campus information is right there. And then we have all our information. These are online classes, so you can take them whenever you want. But some classes have scheduled times. So Monday, Wednesday might be grade in, and then it'll tell you what time the classes are. All right, so to add the class, all you have to do is just click add. Now, you may think you're done here. You're not quite yet. If the class is in your cart and it's grayed out, that means you are not yet registered for the class. So you're going to hit submit. And then you are registered for the class when it turns green. That's simple. Now, say you want to drop a class. Say a class just isn't working out for you. All you do is you come down to this action box here. You click the drop down. You'll click drop/web. And you'll click submit. And just like that, that's it. That is how you register for classes on the MySLCC.
If a class you really want is full, you have the option to be on its waitlist. To waitlist means you are not currently in the class, but you are on a list to enter into the class when a spot opens up. If you place yourself on a waitlist, it is your responsibility to check your room mail every day for an email from our college telling you that you can return to the registration tab and register for the class. You will know that the class you want to take is full because you will see a red exclamation point with the words "full" after it. Below the red exclamation point, there will be an upside-down blue triangle that will tell you how many spots are left on the waitlist. For example, 1 of 6 means there is 1 spot left of the 6 waitlisted. If there is room on the waitlist, you will click on the Add button. Scroll down to the Summary panel again. Look for your class in gray. Using the drop-down, click on the waitlisted. Then click on the Submit button in the bottom right-hand corner. After you place yourself on the waitlist for a class, you will need to check your Bruin mail every day. Once you receive an email from the college stating you're able to register for your waitlisted class, you'll have 24 hours to go into your My SLCC registration tab and register for the course. Congratulations, you did it! We look forward to seeing you in classes this upcoming semester at Salt Lake Community College.